How to edit stereo and mono tracks in WavePad. First of all, open WavePad on your computer and load the audio file you want to edit by clicking on File and then Open File, or simply drag and drop the file into the WavePad window. Next, check whether your audio track is stereo or mono. You can see this information in the file details or by looking at the waveform. Stereo track shows 2 channels while mono track shows only 1. If you want to edit a stereo track, you can work on both channels together or split them to edit each channel separately. To split the stereo track, go to the Edit menu and select Split into Component Channel. This lets you adjust the left and right channels individually. For mono tracks, editing is straightforward since there is only one audio channel. You can apply effects, trim, amplify, or adjust volume as needed on either mono or stereo tracks. And that's it. Now you know how to edit stereo and mono tracks in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.